Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 8 power x is equals to 0.25 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 8 power x, we can write it as 2 power 3 whole power x and 0.25 as 25 by 100. So 2 power 3 power x is equals to 25 by 100. If I'll divide it by 25, so it becomes 1 by 4. So 2 power 3 power x is equals to 1 by 4. We can write it as 2 square. According to exponent rule, 1 by a power 1, we can write it as a power negative 1. And another exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power n. So 2 power 3x is equals to 2 power negative 2. Now we know that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So x is equals to negative 2 by 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.